Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see the wiper removal video first. For installation on a side pin arm, you will need to flip the connector before installing the wiper. Follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Hold the blade so the Michelin logo is facing towards you along with the A on the top of the connector. Flip the connector around. Remove the connector by snapping it out using the palm of your hand. Replace the connector so the A is now facing away from you, and snap the connector into place. You should see the small pinhole clear on both sides. Using your index finger, press down on the flat side of the connector until it is in a vertical position. Insert the pin completely through the smaller hole. Snap the connector in place by pushing the connector up from the bottom until it's horizontal. You will hear a click sound. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Gently lower the arm back onto the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.